Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this deer cake topper using modeling chocolate. Please check out my previous tutorial on how to create the inner structure of this cake topper. In this tutorial as well as in previous tutorial, I was using actual prints of the deer I found online to the size of a cake topper I'm going to make. So here you see me starting from the base of the cake topper, and you can see how I cut off that cake card in my previous tutorial. I decided to start shaping my cake topper from the neck area. You can start shaping it from whatever area you want to. It just made more sense for me. Before working with modeling chocolate, you need to knead it just the way you knead fondant to make it warm and pliable. As well, you can pre-color your modeling chocolate to any color you need, just lighter in shade. However, I decided to do it all white because I wanted to keep some places whiter than the others. And as well, make sure and keep in mind that if your cake topper is white, including the antlers, then obviously your wires and the floral tape should be white, because you will see later on when I added modeling chocolate on the antlers, you sort of can see the brown floral tape being seen through. In my case, I was using brown floral tape because my antler is supposed to be brown. When you start feeling that your hands are sticking to the modeling chocolate, you can use a little bit of cornstarch on your fingers to make them less sticky to the modeling chocolate. As well, working with tools versus the fingers help a lot, because modeling chocolate doesn't heat up from the touch of your fingertips. As you see, I am working with two photos of the deer I printed. One is the deer is looking straight, and the other is the deer is looking sideways. So as you see here, I add little piece by little piece while I'm looking at my reference photos and create the shape of the deer that I need. If you prefer the other way around, where you start from bigger piece and then you just carve it off, you can do it this way as well. For the eyes, I was using the black sugar pearls, and then on top, with the help of modeling chocolate, I have created the eyelids. For the ears, I was using the same modeling chocolate, and with the help of little wires, I inserted the ears into the place I needed them to be. There was a little gap between the head and the ears, so with the help of modeling tools and a little piece of modeling chocolate that I placed around each ear, I managed to cover that gap. You will see that a little bit later on. Keep in mind that modeling chocolate gets warm very easy, so it's very easy material to work with, and if you at some point see that you added maybe too much of it in some places, you just can scrape it off and start from the beginning. So please continue watching the video to see how I have created the head, the snout, the antlers using modeling chocolate. Once I was happy with how my deer topper looked, I started texturizing it with the help of a needle tool I have. As well, I decided that the fur at some point is gonna be shorter, and at the neck area it's gonna be longer, so you will see me using another tool for that. Once I was happy with the texture of my cake topper, I let my cake topper sit for a few hours or overnight in the room temperature before I started painting it. When the time has came to paint my cake topper, I was using two sets of food colors. For the antlers, I was using food colors made for coloring chocolate, and for the rest of the body, I was using gel food colors diluted with alcohol. When I was painting the body, I started from the lightest shade I wanted, And then the darker areas I went over with the darker shade of brown. And once I finished painting the cake topper, I let the paint dry completely before I added the cake topper onto the cake. I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your future creations. I would love to see what you have created, so tag me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel.